Here's my lawnmower, and here's my lawn. My neighbor gave me this lawnmower last year. We got a new one. It's a Yard Machines 21-inch side discharge mulch rear bag, 550 series, 140cc, Briggs and Stratton. When he gave it to me, it started on the first pull. You don't need to choke it or anything. Everything works on it. It's been cutting along great. But I let it sit for a little while. The thing's almost brand new. I let it sit for a while, and I've had it covered up with a tarp. And it always starts, but I haven't started in a couple months. But I'm going to show you why. If you stick around here just for a second, you're going to see something I couldn't even believe. So I came over here, and I was going to add some starting fluid to it because I've already pulled on it a few times and it didn't start. And then I pulled this air cleaner out, and I couldn't believe this. But look at that. It's exactly what I saw when I opened this thing. I think it's like sucked in grass and whatever else and plugged itself up. And molded or whatever else happened to it. But let's go look at it. It's probably one of the worst ones I've ever seen. I've seen a lot of air cleaners that are dirty and stuff, but this thing is really, really bad. I can't imagine that thing. It's probably going to start just with this off of there. Well, let's try to zoom in and get some sunlight here. I guess this is why you want to check your stuff. I mean, that's horrible. Should have checked this a long time ago. I'm sure just a little bit of maintenance on these things will go a long way. And that thing ran really good, and it was probably even plugged up even when I got it. But now that it's wintertime and it's sat for a little while, ugh, that is bad. Let's go see if this thing will start.